Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. In the last few days, we talked about this Elliott Wave triangle potentially here as an X wave that takes the shape of an X wave within an even larger triangle, yeah. And the dip today, of course, XRP joined the party today as well. Across the board, we had this sort of crypto sell-off. As I said, XRP joined the party as well. It was not strong enough to basically shake XRP out of its triangle. So the triangle is still holding. That means we are forming higher lows, lower highs, and XRP stopped here at the lower boundary line of the triangle. I did mention to you before that, yep, I mean, the structure is valid as long as the price stays above the C wave low. That's an Elliott Wave triangle. So it might be worth watching if this E wave today, I mean, the end of the triangle, that's the last wave normally of the triangle. These are A, B, C, D, E structures, and it might be worth watching if the dip today is sufficient to complete this triangle. Sometimes you need those red candles and then a possible reversal could follow, which would be here wave Y to the upside to $1 plus. However, there's currently no sign that a low is in, and to be honest, XRP is not very exciting at the moment. Still though, many people are still interested, obviously. The thing is though, even if we invalidate the triangle, which would happen with a break below the C wave low at 48.5 cents, the price would likely just dip lower into the support region and possibly then test 45.3 cents or 37 cents next. But that could simply be in a larger X wave. Yep, it wouldn't have unfolded as a triangle then, but maybe as a larger WXY itself, in which we have an ABC just now. I mean, WXY in wave X, and then in the Y wave A, B, C, you know what I mean. Important is that in any potentially bullish scenario, because there's no trend here, it's just moving sideways, right? But in any bullish scenario where we would still allow XRP to go higher in a Y wave, the market shouldn't really break below the orange support zone, and it's defined between 37 cents and 52 cents. That's the critical support area really for any bullish follow through, because we're tracking here WXY structure, and an X wave should normally not go below the 78.6 fib level. It can do. It absolutely can do. It's not a rule. It's more like, okay, this is where probabilities are shifted towards a maybe more directly bearish interpretation. So support levels should be clear. The Y wave target depends really on where the X wave forms a low. I mentioned to you before you get all exciting, right? Or excited. This is not a high probability count. Okay, so it's just best I can say now, and it could even be that this triangle extends into the summer. Absolutely. I mean, the triangle doesn't need to be completed now, or even the X wave doesn't. It really takes a break above the D wave high minimally at 74 cents to suggest that a low is in place. But yeah, $1.68 would be the projection from here. It's just that if we go any lower into the support region, then the target projection to the upside would also change. Can you see that? So it might even go as low as $1.21 if the price dips to the 78.6 retracement. But the support region there is quite relevant. It's been holding for a while since the spike in July last year. Okay, and we never broke that support region. So yeah, very boring chart. And it looks like that. On the larger degree, we're moving here in an even larger triangle, where then the challenge is to determine, is it a larger wave 4 triangle or is it a B wave triangle? If XRP cannot break it all to the upside in this bull market, it's a B wave triangle, and the next bear market might send us down to 10 cents or lower. Yeah, that's very important to recognize. Could simply be a B wave in a wave 2. That's would be very disappointing for many, but then at least the chart would have the chance after this wave 2 is completed to rally in a third wave in a few years. So we'll see. But for now, let's see if the market can show us a sign of life by maybe rallying in the Y wave. Too early to say, and it probably hasn't started. It hasn't started yet for sure, but yeah, just the potential there at the moment. Okay, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.